All right, hi, sixth grade. I see that a lot of you are having trouble making sure that you're able to type in your notes. A lot of you are submitting your assignment without finishing or completing the notes. So I'm going to go through a little video on how to teach you how to make sure that you're able to download the notes and submit it. So you're going to go into your classwork. And when you go into your classwork, you're going to look for your notes. So your assignments are your lesson 3 guided notes. You're going to need this in order to be able to complete it. And you also need the PowerPoint. So the PowerPoint is what has the information for the guided notes. So once you open up the guided notes, it's going to open up and it's going to look like this, but you cannot type on it. In order for you to be able to type on it, you need to select the 3 dots that are here in the corner. Once you select the 3 dots, you hit open in new window. Once it opens in a new window, at the top it's going to tell you open with. You're going to open with Google Docs. So once you have it open, then you're going to need to change the name. First you're going to need to make a copy. So you go File, Make a Copy, and here is where you enter your name. So make sure that you put your name. And this includes your first and your last name. Okay, then you click OK. And then it's going to open up another window. This is the window that you are going to be working on. Once it opens up, you're able to type on it, and then you can submit it. So you should be able to type in here now. And once you're able to type in there, then you can go ahead and answer your questions. When you're done, it'll let you be able to upload it, or you can click share. And once you click share, you can share it with me. So you come over here to the corner, you click share, and you will put my name. Once you put my name and you hit send, it will share it with me. Okay, so this should help with all of the confusion that you guys are having. Some of you have not turned in your assignments. They need to be turned in as soon as possible. I will be deducting points if they're not turned in by Friday. So please make sure that you are completing all of your work. If you have any questions, please make sure you hop on for my office hours. Thank you and bye.